Hello everyone, this is David Jones of David Jones Marketing, back with another video in the series dealing with the Inb.Network and AI marketing. In particular, today we are inside the AI marketing back office here in my back office, and the focus of this video is going to be on the tab that says Cashback. You'll notice that there are tabs running down the left side of the page in the back office, and I'm focusing on Cashback. Now on the Cashback tab, you'll notice here that there is a $50 gift voucher. You can see that highlighted here. This is the voucher that you will give persons who join you in the program. This gives them their $50 to fund their robot so that they can start the process of automation with the robot going to work on their behalf and getting them sales and obviously cash back. Now, what you'll also need to pay attention to is this section here. Share the certificate with a friend and get 5% cash back on his or her future purchases. And I'm going to show you a little in depth here as to how that actually works. You'll notice it says here I have 3 activations, I have 4 sales, and the cashback from that is $18.36. But what exactly does that mean? If you scroll down, you'll see statistics, and you can only see here 2 statistics here. One on the 29th of May, a sale amount of $95.46 and the cashback being $4.77. And you also see on the 28th of May a sale amount of $100, the cashback $5. Now, what does that mean in relation to what we are saying up here? Because those two figures, 5 and 4, that's $9.77, and this is saying $18.36. Well, to discover a little more about what happened or what went on, we have to go here to the sales, and I'll just click on sales. And here now it becomes a little more clear. The partners that I have with me are 3: Julissa Jones, Hamza Habib, and Anne-Marie Durant. And what the sales section shows you is basically, it shows you the fact that each of them, Julissa, Hamza, and Anne-Marie, each would have enabled their their certificate. And that's shown here. Certificate. You have certificate. You have certificate. You have certificate. And you know this because it's $50, $50, and $50. So you don't earn anything from that because the company gives you that to start you off. But we have Julissa who would have made a purchase, meaning she funded her robot $95.46. So from that, the 5% that I would have gotten from that would have been $4.77. Hamza, he funded his robot $100 here, as you can see. The 5% from that would have been $5. That's $9.77. And then here you have Anne-Marie also funded her robot $100 here. So the 5%, that's $5. That's $14. And now to get it to the $18.36, we have Anne-Marie who also funded her robot a second time, $71.76, and the cash back is $3.59. So that shows you then how the cash back here is $18.36, and that cash back is immediate because those are your personal direct and so forth. If I click on certificate, it will show you these are the 3 persons who are with me, and obviously it shows you their names, what they funded, and the cashback earned. So that's basically it. And the toppers here include both the certificate and the amount that they would have done separately. Alright, so that's all there is for this video. I just wanted to show you a little more on the inner workings of the back office and what the actual tab Cashback reveals. so that you have a better understanding of what's going on in your AI marketing back office. Thank you for watching. This has been David Jones, over and out.